It has been a long, long time since I predicted Fantom to go to above $1. And if you remember, we reached this goal just here in the springtime in April around, where we went all the way up to $1.13, 14 around that. You see it here on CoinGecko. And currently we are seeing a different time. So currently we see that the VIX is very elevated, the VIX measuring the S&P 500 volatility. Everything is in crisis mode. Everything is pretty volatile. But there is one coin that is clearly sticking out from the crowd, which is Fantom. And this video is about Fantom and how high Fantom can go. You see, this is a monthly chart, which looks really, really juicy right now to invest in Fantom. But let's go to a more weekly, maybe it's a shorter time frame. Weekly chart, you see here my prediction actually that I drew all the way earlier this year. In the beginning of the year, which was followed pretty accurately, actually. Fantom exceeded my prediction of the dollar easily in spring, and then we went back down all the way to a really good discount. So you could buy Fantom below 29 cents, which is an unbelievable cheap discount when you see what the future could potentially bring for Fantom. And there is a fundamental reason why Fantom is performing so well. You see right now here that we have a trend. We have a big resistance line here. Sorry, that's the wrong. We have a big resistance line here at the level above 50, which comes from all these levels that we had in the past here. Also here we were rejected in this area. Once we were rejected here in this area. And again, we have seen this area to be really strong resistance to get above. But I would say also looking at these levels like the 200 weekly that we are clearly below and the 50 average weekly that we are clearly below, we should see a fundamental pump once we got through these levels. So particularly here, you should look at the levels. We still haven't really gotten through these highs here. So as soon as we can establish above this August level, above this July level. So what we saw so far is the higher low here. As you see, we clearly turned the direction. Some people would say this is an inverse head and shoulders. It isn't exactly, but we clearly have a higher low. If we can make now a higher high, which could be somewhere here, that would clearly say that there is a trend reversal. If you haven't seen the news about Sonic, I would really recommend to watch my video on the Sonic airdrop that I will link here above on the cards. So if you want to also get this Sonic airdrop from the migration of Fantom to Sonic, you should use Fantom Network now, and you should also buy into Fantom. I mean, obviously this is not financial advice, but this is a really easy game and a game with good odds. At least this is what my opinion is and what I am gonna do, because next year at the end of this bull run in May, probably we could definitely see this Fantom or Sonic, which will be convertible 1-to-1. We could definitely see it between $5 and $6, which is an easy 10x, 12x, 15x from these levels here. So yeah, this is definitely what I wanted to say in this video. Also, one more thing, maybe quickly. Problem is I don't have so much time today, but we always should look at the mathematics behind it. And on CoinGecko, there is a great tool which is compare coins. And if we put in Fantom here, let's put Fantom and compare it, for example, with Solana, because I say it could be the next Solana, right? It could be a 42x here to $22. Let's say we stay conservative and we just reach the top 10 and say like Doge, let's say Doge. I mean, Doge is basically worthless, right? And still it would be what I said, these $5. Now put into our equation that the whole crypto market is very likely to double in value. So all the coins, all the tokens are usually in a new bull market. Let's go back here to the total. In a new bull market, we can really expect this level to go up. And if we only reach 4 trillion, which is not a lot when you think that we were at 3 trillion already once, then this means that the whole market is valued doubled, and the average coin and token will be valued double, which means that Fantom could be at $10 at this point. While this is very conservative, if we look at what happened last bull market, we were in this area around, right? And the whole market still increased by 600%. Now let's draw the line here. Let's say from where we are right now, we increase 600% and we will be at 14 trillion. I don't say that this growth is realistic in long term, all of the bull markets over and over again. But if we can achieve at least half of this, or let's say 6 to 7 trillion, that means from the level right now, Fantom could easily go to $15 or $20. So imagine you buy at 50 cents. This would be the 10x, but then we have a 30x, or we would have a 30x or even more. So if you like this video, make sure you watch my other videos about Fantom and the Sonic ecosystem. Leave a like down below. That really helps me out. And also comment what you think that the Fantom price will be during this bull run. I wish you a wonderful day. All the best. Your Alex.